My philosophy at Esquina is every dish has to be a dish that I want to eat every single day. I'm very excited to share this menu for my OCBC guests at Esquina. The OCBC menu is all about showing our best. So we had a selection of our signature dishes. One of them is the Fricandó, only available during that period of time for the menu. The Fricandó is a beef stew with mouchardons, and it's one of my favorite dishes that my mom cooks. It's the first dish I will eat every time I go back to Barcelona. I've been wanting to do since I moved to Singapore 5 years ago, but I never could do it because I couldn't source mouchardons, a kind of mushroom that only grows in the Catalonia area of Spain. So I asked my sister to bring it over. I think people is gonna love it because it's really, really unique.